Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on Tech Daily. In my last video, I did a Moto live chat in which the chat assistant said me this. Additionally, you can register yourself for soak test. Soak testing is a type of test that verifies a system's stability and performance characteristics over a limited period of time. It can identify issues in the software version. I also asked him about the soak test in depth, and then he provided me these links and said from there I will be able to register for the soak test. Let's see how it goes. The following links can be found in the video description as well. Just check if the soak test is available for your Motorola device or not. And watch the video till the end as I have a task for you guys to do. Clicking on those links on my Moto G5 Plus, I am taken to this web page. Let me read this down quickly for you guys. We need you for the Motorola Feedback Network. When a phone launches and after software is updated, we are extremely eager to understand what owners are experiencing. We watch our own online communities and other sites carefully for feedback. But we have a way to gather feedback in a more systematic way. We turn to the Motorola Feedback Network. The Motorola Feedback Network, also known as MFN, is a group of owners who raise their hands to provide us with the help and feedback. As a member of Motorola Feedback Network, you can be included in various studies and feedback opportunities. Much of our research is survey based, but we also do private and public benchmarking studies and ask owners to provide feedback on software before it's widely released. Joining the MFN will not guarantee that you get early access to software, but our goal is to draw all our participants from the MFN. You can't win if you don't play. Please understand that Motorola Feedback Network is not just a way to get faster software updates. It's a responsibility. You accept risk on the behalf of other owners. If you are not ready to do that, you may not want to take part. If you are already signed up for the MFN and wanted to update your device, you can change your registration using the process below. Important note about registering for the Motorola Feedback Network. Over the years, we have had multiple processes for registering for the MFN, and we are about to change again. The process described below is not working for some regions and for some newer devices. We are working on a new process of registration. In the meantime, we are going to return to the very first method we used years ago, a SurveyMonkey registration. If you are unable to use the process below to register, please click on the link and register. So, in order to register, you will have to take up this survey. Clicking on the link, we have a web page saying the following things. Thanks for your interest in joining the Motorola Feedback Network. We just want to get a quick sense of what kind of feedback activities you are interested in and some background about you. None of this will be used for any other purpose. A few notes. Number 1. Multiple registration actually hurt your chances of being included in a project. Please register once and focus on providing the correct information. Incorrect or incomplete information can exclude you from participation. Number 2. Completing the registration does not guarantee inclusion in any Motorola Feedback Network opportunities. We may not have opportunities for your specific phone and other factors could apply. Number 3. If you are a Motorola Mobility or Lenovo employee, please do not sign up for this network. Thanks for your interest though. This registration contains multiple pages. Be sure to complete all the pages before stopping. The final page for anyone completing the registration is titled Thank You. Okay, let's get started. Clicking on Next, we have the questions. The first question is whether you are okay with the feedback opportunities or not. So quickly answer yes to all those questions. The second question asks you to input a username that you desire. The third question asks you for your email address. The fourth question then asks you for the country you live in. Fifth question asks you for your postal or zip code. The sixth question asks about the IMEI number of your Motorola smartphone. In order to find out your IMEI number, just go to your phone's dialer and type *#06# and you will be greeted with your IMEI number on your screen. The 7th question is about your phone's model and the service provider that you use, so select those nicely. The 8th question asks you to take a guess about when you bought your Motorola device. It does not have to be completely accurate, but just roughly accurate. And then there comes this web page which reads, "We appreciate your interest in providing feedback. Please set your spam filters to allow communication from Motorola Feedback Network @motorola.com so that you are alerted of any MFN studies or projects. Note that you will likely receive emails from that address and registration invitation from SurveyMonkey if you are invited to participate. Please note that you may not hear from us unless we have a project that would fit you." Just click on done. So this is all you can do, and then you will have to wait for the response. I completed the survey yesterday and have not got the response as of now. This is how you can register for SOAK test. I would like everyone of you watching to register for it so that the company knows how desperately the users want the Android Oreo update on the Motorola phones. There is a poll on the top right corner. Do answer that. I hope you liked the video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Else, downvote it. Leave a comment and please subscribe to the channel as I aim to get 20,000 subscribers by the end of June 2018. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily, bidding you guys a bye-bye. Do subscribe.